Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Gold Dragon EA, an expert advisor available for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, examine the information provided by the developer, review the available settings, and discuss the historical testing results and overall performance analysis. So starting here on the marketplace page, Gold Dragon EA is currently listed at a purchase price of 30 US dollars. This is version 1.1, developed by Evgeny Flipov. The developer describes it as a multi-currency expert advisor that uses its own indicator as part of its operation. Now, one of the key details mentioned right away is that the EA uses an averaging approach combined with martingale. Now, since these position management methods can significantly increase exposure during adverse market movements, it is important for traders to understand the risks involved before using the system. Okay, but then looking further, the developer provides recommended trading pairs including Euro USD, AUD USD, Euro GBP, Euro CHF, USD CHF, and USD CAD. The recommended time frame is M1, and the suggested spread should remain at or below 20. Now, the developer also provides account recommendations, for what they consider safer operation. They suggest a minimum of $100 on a cent account, or approximately $10,000 on a standard account. These recommendations are worth paying attention to since they reflect the capital requirements the developer believes are appropriate for the EA's trading approach. Now, moving into the available settings, the parameter list is relatively simple. All right, we have mean step, which controls the minimum distance used by the system. We have lot, which defines the initial lot size, and K lot, which acts as the multiplication factor. Okay, now since K lot directly affects how position sizes increase, adjustments to this parameter can have a significant impact on overall risk exposure. Another feature mentioned by the developer is a built-in spread filter. So according to the description, the EA uses, or rather the EA includes a function that limits trade entries based on spread conditions. All right, and this can be useful because spread expansion is often more common during volatile or low liquidity periods. Okay, so now let's just transition over to the backtesting section. Let's start by reviewing the provided result here. I can see $10,000 as the initial deposit. I can see over $39,000 as the profit generated. Okay, and then I can also see quite an interesting growth curve here. The balance equity curve looks pretty interesting, steady growth there. All right, and then okay, let's just head over to our strategy tester right away. Let us see how this expert advisor behaved. The Gold Dragon EA, let's see how it behaved on Euro USD on the M1 time frame over the past 3 months. So we are testing it on one of the recommended pairs, and of course on the recommended time frame over the past 3 months. I can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was 1,298.37, and the total number of trades taken were 187, out of which 132 were profitable. So that gave us a 70.59% win rate. Largest profit was 355.6. Largest loss was 36.1. Average profit 13.41. Average loss 8.57. Okay, so that shows that the risk to reward ratio is fair. Not so good, but fair actually. Now let's just head over to the strategy. Let's head over to turn on the visual mode so that we can see the EA in action, right? So I'm just going to start this right away, and yeah, so at least we can see the EA in action. Now, as we examine the chart activity, we can observe how the EA managed positions throughout the testing period. All right. But then when reviewing historical backtest results, I like to treat them as historical analysis rather than a prediction of future performance. All right. Backtest can provide valuable insight into how an expert advisor behaved under previous market conditions, but they should never be viewed as a guarantee of future outcomes. Okay, based on the information provided by the developer, the averaging and martingale components are central to how the system operates. Beyond that, no additional entry or exit logic is disclosed, so it is important not to make assumptions about the exact signal generation process. Looking at the historical trade distribution and the chart behavior, you know, the testing helps illustrate how the EA responded to different market environments using its predefined rules. However, I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across a wider range of market conditions. All right. I can observe here that the EA seems to be the type to execute opposite trades. It can execute opposite trades at the same time. As we can see, buy and sell were executed at the same time using its own strategy, but a fixed TP level is also being used regardless, right? Now, as for the results, historical test and performance can vary considerably depending on lot size selection, risk settings, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, account size, and overall market behavior. User optimization can also have a significant impact on outcomes. Overall, the Gold Dragon EA is a multi-currency MT4 expert advisor that combines a proprietary indicator with an averaging and martingale-based approach. The system includes spread filtering, supports multiple currency pairs on the M1 time frame, and offers a relatively simple configuration structure. Okay, but as always, make sure to conduct thorough testing and evaluate the risks that are involved carefully before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.